Hi there, I'm Jeff, and I'm going to walk through how you can use the IGEMS camera that we have mounted up above this machine to program a part from a template. So we have this part here that we can pretend that we don't have a drawing of, and if the situation, you can just basically lay this down on the table, take a picture of it with an IGEMS camera, and then that picture will be brought into IGEMS, and then you can use your various CAD tools to trace around here and create your part, and then from there a file to cut. So one little tip on a part like this where we do have a nice straight edge to make my life a little bit easier when I do get to the CAD work. If I cut myself a straight edge here that I can butt this up against, then that'll make it nice and square when I do bring it into IGEMS. So that's what I'll do here first, and then we'll go ahead and lay this down and take a picture of it. Okay, now that we've got that nice straight edge, I'll take my template file, set this down here, and we'll take a picture of that in IGEMS. So in IGEMS, I can go to the Tools tab, click on this Insert button, and that'll take a picture of whatever I've got on the table. And then once we got this, then we can go ahead and draw our geometry around here. So I'll just go to my CAD tab, and I'll go ahead and start with a rectangle in the middle. So you can zoom in and pick one corner, and go up and pick this corner up here for the other corner of that rectangle. That looks pretty square, so that's good. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw 4 lines around the outside, and then the arcs to connect the lines. So we'll start up here. And we'll come over here somewhere. And start over here. Here. Now we've got those lines, and go ahead and use Arc command and connect those. So now we've got our geometry. We can go ahead and make a part out of that. So I'm just going to move this off of here for right now. Put this over here. And on this tab here, I can just go ahead and create my part. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this image, and I'm going to put up a new piece of material and take a picture of the table with the material on there, and then place the part on the material. I've got my material in place, we can go ahead and take a picture of that in IGEMS. So back to the camera command, click on insert again. There's our material. You can see any clamps or anything else we have on the table that we have to watch out for. And now I'm just going to move this onto that material and place it where I want to cut it. And then once that's on there where I want to cut it, I can just go ahead and create my CNC file. We're working off a work offset position, so everything is based off of 0, 0 on the table, so that's why we can place this wherever we want it on the table and we'll cut it in that location. So now we're looking at our controller software. So currently my pump is on, I'm going to turn on my water output. Click on my parts button here. Here's the file we just made. Click on the play button, places it on the table, and we'll go ahead and cut this. Go ahead and mark that as C for copy, and we'll compare it with our original. So a pretty decent match up there. If there was any deviation that was unacceptable, we could always go back into IGEMS and make some tweaks to it. So if you have any questions on that, please let me know. Thanks.